Same old body, same old beat. Well, yeah, they got nothing on me. Well, same old cars and same old streets. Well, yeah, they got nothing on me. And easy come and easy go. Well, yeah, I'm sure I told you so. Well, they just want you for your gold. Man, I'm sure I told you so. The way you're a dead-end job, it's been eating away your life. You feel a little inside the trouble and strife, and now you spend your evenings searching for another life. Well, yeah, I think you've got them in your sights. Well, easy. Cause the savage on board, yeah, it's been on for a week. Allowed to go stealing my money. When positive birds, it's hard to reach. I keep my head down and my mouth shut. Cause if you're going through hell, we just keep going. I'll be 1 minute on the
How was that on sounds wise for you guys?
At the beginning, the bass was a bit loud for me.
So, Liam, I haven't touched the keyboard volume on here at all since last time. I still haven't. You set it on the keyboard, don't you, to a certain
Yeah, I change it at different points.
volume. So you have to be aware that you're controlling it. I've set it at a level here that works, but if you do it differently, it's going to sound different.
No, because in
So it sounded fine when you were controlling it, but at the beginning, when it wasn't loud enough, it's up to you to get it loud enough.
I know, but in the beginning it was like, it has to be quite subtle.
Yeah, so you can do that with your own volume, right?
Yeah, so I'm going to go.
Yeah. So you're in control of that, that's what I'm saying.
What?
Any other sound issues on that one?
No, what I was thinking.
Danny's vocals are a little bit too loud in the front monitor, like the first half of the song.
Yeah. What I was thinking is you get like a shaker, but for, you know, it's a bit